We're here at Hannover Messe 2022, showing off Quantum RTLS. It's ZeroKey's second generation indoor location technology, accurate down to 1.5 millimeters.
We're wearing sensors on our wrists and we've equipped the whole space with our ZeroKey positioning system. It's going to give me step-by-step instructions on what I'm supposed to be doing, and it won't advance to the next step unless it detects that I did the current one properly based off the locations in my hands.
The really exciting thing about this is now, instead of humans having to tell the machines what they're doing in the environment, we're actually getting that information in real time from the positioning system, so the machines are understanding what the humans are doing and responding in real time.
By tracking the movements of somebody going through this process, we can actually tell them in real time if they did it wrong, or it's not going to advance them through the process if they didn't do it correctly. Now it's asking me to tighten the bolts, but it's asking me to tighten them in a specific sequence. So if I go to, say, this one here, sure enough, it gave me an error. It's not going to the next step because it knows that I did not go to the right bolt. Now if I go to the correct side, I've advanced through all the steps and it can detect that I did it all properly based off location. And now I finished building a pump successfully.
The great thing for us, and we're highlighting it with some of our brand new form factors like a new wristband and a new very small trackable, we're really being able to show clients what they didn't know could be done.